Go ahead, do it again. Arrgh. Do some donuts. Oh, there he goes. He's doing donuts. Do some donuts. You're a knucklehead.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?
Say, hey, I'm Stupid Fast Jr.
No.
Say, hey, I'm Stupid Fast Jr.
No.
Come on, to be loud like Daddy.
No.
Hey, I'm Stupid Fast Jr.
I'm not saying it.
Fine, I'll do it by myself. Welcome back, Stupid Fast Nation. Alright guys, today we're going to get right back into the Banshee, but let's take a second. Apologize for this, but we need some heat. Let's hang out for a second until it gets warm in here. Alright guys, lots of stuff going on today. Should be a simple video though. I got a bunch of parts in for the Banshee. I got some cool things to show you guys, and then we'll get right into it, and we'll start putting this stuff on the Banshee. And we're getting really, really close to firing her up. Alright guys, I got some packages in the mail this week. One of them is a set of reeds for this cage. I don't know why the package is so old on this one. Another one is this box. I don't know what's in it yet, but I have to open it and see. Alright guys, let's see what's inside the box. I get so excited with packages. It's like Christmas morning. Woo! Oh, look at that. Shiny. Woo! Oh man, look at that. Alright guys, water pump cover and clutch cover. These are going to look really nice on the Banshee. I got these for a really good deal on eBay. They were really, really cheap. I think they're going to really set off the side of that engine very, very nicely. And then this one will go like that. Oh yeah, they're going to look nice. And then the nice polished kicker that we have for it, she'll look real nice. Polished, polished, polished. The nice raw pipes here. Oh man, she's going to look nice.
It's not a she, Daddy.
Yeah, it is.
Nuh-uh.
Look, it says she. So it's a she.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh?
Nuh-uh.
Also, guys, I got these hyper bead locks for the fronts. So yeah, guys, I picked these up off Facebook for 200 bucks. And that's actually a really good deal for these, because these rims are actually 200 a piece without a colored ring and without tires. So to get both of them for 200, I mean, that's a killer deal. And I got them pretty local too, from somebody off Facebook. So yeah, she ought to look really, really nice with the matching bead locks and all the blue and the green. I don't know, we'll see. I think what else we're gonna do today is we're gonna put the radiator, probably the front steel braided brake lines on. We'll get the carbs, the reeds and all that on the intake. And then we'll check, well actually before we get the carbs on, we'll check the jetting. And then maybe even at some point, whether it's this video or the next one, we'll take those lights I have, we'll make brackets to put those on as well. These are Tractor Supply lights. All I have to do is make a bracket for that to sit on there. And that should look really sweet, man. Those things are huge. They kind of go with the dune look a little bit, and that's kind of what I was looking for. I just wanted to go with the theme of the dune-ish type Banshee, you know? So, I don't know. Comment below. Let me know what you think. I think they're going to look really, really sick on here. And they're super bright, and they work really good because they're low wattage LED. So they should work really, really good with the Banshee stator. They shouldn't drain it from ignition or anything like that. It should be really good. It should be able to power the whole circuit with ease. Today, when I checked the mail, I realized something came in the mail that's very crucial to this build. Alright, so I literally just got done installing the reeds into the cages and getting those put into the Banshee frame. And I wanted to show you guys this real quick. So these are the domes I've been waiting for. I wound up going with 22cc SUPERCUB domes, which should be still good for pump gas. So these are in. We can get those installed into the head, get that on the Banshee as well today. Alright guys, so that's everything we have to do today. She's almost ready to fire up. I just got some little things to do in the chassis, like putting the chain on, bleeding the brakes, things like that. And putting the wiring on, which, you know, takes a whole total of 15 minutes. But after that stuff's done, this thing should be ready for a first start.
a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Fada, fada. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go.
Alright guys, before I get started, let's check out that cinematic.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes, watching all this time slip by. Now I realize, you know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
Alright guys, so that kind of sums up the amount of work that we're going to do to the Banshees today. I mean, we did get a lot done. Carburetors are on. I did check the jetting inside of those. It's a 150 main, and a 60 Pilot. They are 39mm, brand name Key and Carbs. If any of you have any jetting recommendations, I'm about 1,500 feet above sea level, and you know, it's a 472 SUPERCUB stroker, so I'm open to suggestions on starting jetting for those. But just for a first start, I might just leave those in because I think the pilots are pretty close to what they need to be. It's just the mains I'm a little worried about, especially with it being winter and stuff. Anyways, new domes are in, radiators in, hoses are in. I have to put the heat sink on for that yet. New covers, obviously you guys seen those. Billet kickers going on next in the next video, chain, and hopefully a first fire. I gotta stick the stator and wire it up yet and put the lights on, but outside of that, all of the big stuff is now completed. At some point I have to get a locker for this and a billet basket. Somebody recommended like the R1 clutch setup. I don't know if I want to fork out that much money for it. A billet basket and a lockup should do well enough on this, but hey, if I can find a good deal on one, you never know. So we got those matching front bead locks. I think they look really, really good. The only problem is I don't like how small the tires are. So I think I'll eventually change those to like a 23-inch tall tire, because I'm not into MX or anything. I'm a trail rider, so I like the ground clearance and stuff like that. I don't like anything to get nicked up on the bottom of the quad. If I can prevent that from happening, I definitely will. Also, I had these outerwears covers laying around for the carburetor, air filters, and yeah, that's pretty much it. As always, guys, if you enjoyed the content, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.